Foreman hitting the heavy bag is one of the more prodigious sights I've had in my life.
And he had a trainer, Dick Sadler, tiny by comparison to Foreman, and Sadler would hang on to the heavy bag. When Foreman would hit this bag, Sadler would just literally be picked off his feet.
At the end of 15 minutes of pounding the heavy bag, there'd be a hole in the heavy bag. Not a hole, but a huge dent, the size of half a small watermelon. It seems to me that of all the people I've seen hitting heavy bags, including Sonny Liston, no one ever hit it the way Foreman did.